Guess, guess, guess. Okay, I will tell you. We are going to learn bread, Oreo, cake. Are you all excited? That too without fire and oven. But make sure you have your mama, dada with you. Let's begin. For bread Oreo cake, you will require 2 packets of Oreo biscuits, 4 slices of bread, some milk and sugar. That's it. I will get my ingredients and finish my milk. You get yours. You start with remove the cream of the biscuits. Add sugar to the milk. We have removed the cream. Now we will crush the biscuits. Add milk to the crushed biscuits and make a paste. Thank you, Mamba, for helping me.
Hey, you're welcome.
Add some chocolate paste. Now place some slice of bread. Now apply some sugar milk. Again the chocolate paste. Now pour the chocolate paste on the bread. Keep this in your fridge for 5 minutes. Cut the cream in half to decorate. Flour on the cake. friends, your bread Oreo cake is ready.